Welcome. Are you a first-time driver? Are you new to New Jersey and looking to get your driver's license, or perhaps you are planning to move here soon? Well, today we'll be taking a comprehensive tour through the 9-step process of understanding and obtaining a driver's license in New Jersey. So let's get started. Step 1. First things first. New Jersey offers several types of licenses, depending on your age. Teenagers are eligible for a special learner's permit at age 16 if they are enrolled in a high school driver education program or at a licensed driving school that includes both classroom and 6 hours of behind-the-wheel instruction with a licensed instructor. The second type is the probationary license, also called the graduated driver license or GDL, for those under 21. The third type is called the basic driver's license, Class D, for those 18 years and older. Note, if you're over 21 years old, you can skip the GDL program and go straight for the basic driver's license after meeting all the requirements. Step 2. Gather all the necessary documents. You'll need proof of your identity, proof of New Jersey residency, social security number, and completed driver's permit application, available at the MVC, for your identity documents such as a valid U.S. passport, birth certificate, U.S. residency card, or New Jersey digital ID, for proof of residency, a utility bill, bank statement, or lease agreement, and for your social security number, a social security card or a W-2 form would suffice. It's essential to have these documents ready before you start the process, as they are crucial for your application. Remember, having all the necessary documents and meeting the age requirement are the first steps in your driving journey. Here's a tip. Check the MVC website for a full list of acceptable documents and any updates to requirements. Now that you've got all your documents in order, it's time to get your learner's permit. Step 3. Fill out the application form. You can do this online or at your local New Jersey Motor Vehicle Commission, MVC office. Be sure to double-check all your information. Next. Pass the vision test. Your vision must be 20/50ths or better. Glasses or contacts are allowed, and finally, pay the permit fee. The process might seem daunting, but don't worry. It's more straightforward than you think. Step 4. Visit your local Motor Vehicle Commission office, armed with your required documents, and take the written test on traffic laws and signs. Step 5. But wait, before you rush off, there's a secret weapon you'll need: the New Jersey Driver Manual. Begin by studying the New Jersey Driver Manual before taking the test. It is your roadmap to passing the written exam. It's packed with information about traffic rules, road signs, and safe driving techniques, so make it your best friend and study the manual. Step 6. Now, about the written exam itself, the key to success here is practice. Take advantage of the New Jersey MVC online practice test. They'll help you identify your weak spots and get you comfortable with the format of the actual exam. The New Jersey Motor Vehicle Commission, MVC written test consists of 50 multiple-choice questions based on the driving manual. Questions covering New Jersey traffic laws, road signs, and safe driving practices. To pass, you must answer at least 40 questions correctly and a passing score of 80%. Here's a test tip for you. Some infractions that are automatic fails on the driving test include not stopping for an emergency vehicle, speeding in a school zone, causing another driver to take an evasive action, failing to yield to pedestrians, and running a red light. A learner's permit is your golden ticket to start practicing on the road, so make sure you study well for the written exam. Step 7. With your learner's permit in hand, it's time to hit the road for some real-world supervised driving experience. Now, if you are under 21 in New Jersey, you must complete 6 months of supervised driving with an adult, 21 years of age or older, who is a New Jersey licensed driver, with 3 or more years of driving experience. If you are over 21, you only need 3 months of supervised driving. After you have completed driving practice, you may apply for the probationary license, which allows you to drive on your own. Take your time to learn and absorb as much as you can. Remember, practice makes perfect. Make the most out of your training hours. Step 8. The driving test. This is where you'll show the examiner how well you can drive. This test comprises several components, including a basic control test, a road test, and a problem-solving test. The basic control test will assess your ability to handle the vehicle. The road test will evaluate your skills in real-world driving conditions. The problem-solving test will look at how you respond to unexpected situations on the road. Here are some tips. 1. Practicing essential driving skills is crucial. 2. Master the basics like starting and stopping, turning, and parallel parking. 3. Then move on to more complex skills like merging and navigating intersections. As for the big day, it's normal to feel a bit nervous. Remember to stay calm. Your examiner wants you to succeed. They're not there to fail you. They're there to ensure you can drive safely. Eat a good meal, get a good night's sleep, and take deep breaths. The road test is your final hurdle. Practice, stay calm, and you'll do great. Congratulations on making it this far. Step 9, the final step. Now it's time to apply for your New Jersey driver's license. First, you'll need to schedule your road test appointment. This can be done online through the New Jersey MVC's website. Be sure to choose a date that gives you ample time to prepare. Once you've aced your road test, it's time to apply for the actual license. This involves filling out an application form, also available on the MVC website. Don't forget to pay the appropriate fee. Now, here's a crucial point. You must bring all required documentation to the MVC. This includes proof of identity, residency, and your social security number. And of course, don't forget your learner's permit and proof of successful completion of your driver's training course, instruction log, and road test. Note: contact your local New Jersey Motor Vehicle Commission office to confirm all requirements and documents for a New Jersey driver's license. By following these comprehensive steps, you will be well on your way to obtaining your New Jersey driver's license. Here is the final tip. Always double-check with the New Jersey Motor Vehicle Commission (MVC) office for any changes or additional requirements that may apply to your specific situation. Once you've got your license in hand, the open road awaits. Drive responsibly and enjoy your new freedom. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this.